Hello, American government. Welcome to day 7. We have 5 more days of class left. Our last day is going to be a week from today, next Tuesday. Okay. Um, all right. For today, our objectives is that you're going to be able to analyze current events, articles looking for how governments secure the rights, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The language objective is that you're going to be able to read articles and mark the text for who, when, where, and the impact. So you're going to do annotations today and you're going to read. Um, I want you to start by reading the question, by answering the question on the Ed puzzle. What does the pursuit of happiness mean to you? What is your dream in life? Okay, that's the question. Please make sure to use a sentence starters. You have them here. If you don't want to use them, that's fine. And then the other reminder before I get started, um, conferences are mandatory required. To sign up for your conference or to click on the link for the conference, you click here, assignment number 9 conference, or in the agenda, you click here. Okay, either one works. Remember to always use the home page. Siempre usan la página de inicio. You will find everything here. Always use this, please. Only this. Okay. Um, so make sure you sign up for your conference and you attend your conference. Okay. Okay. Um, So you're going to be reading news articles. When you're reading, these are the focus questions you're going to think about and answer. Okay. First is who is involved? When did the important events happen? Where do the events happen? What is the impact? Why is this important? Which inalienable rights are involved in this article? Okay. And remember, these are taken from the Declaration of Independence. Okay. You're going to annotate when you read. Okay. The inalienable rights we're going to focus on are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Okay. So here is an excerpt. You're going to read part of this article today. Okay. Um, so we're reading part of 2 paragraphs. Maria Arias, 14, is so bright and chatty that her classmates call her Wikipedia. Her mother says she goes to high school almost every day, but Maria can't say the same for her teachers. These days, she just wants at least one of them to show up for class. You risk your life to be here and end up waiting around for hours doing nothing, Maria said. But you have to keep coming because it's the only way out. Venezuela's government is currently facing huge money problems. Its people are having to deal with rising crime, but the South American country's struggles have really hurt its schools. The government has canceled 16 school days since December. Okay. So I highlighted a few things that help me answer our questions: who, when, where, impact, and inalienable rights. I read it and now I highlighted these, and I think that those help me answer the question. However, this is wrong. Just highlighting and no comments, right? There's no written words. It can't tell you what you think, and this person highlighted or underlined only. Don't do that. Okay. Make sure you add a comment, and I showed you how to add comments, so you will know how to add comments now. Okay. Right. So if I highlight this, I would say who. It's about high school students. If I highlighted teachers, it tells me more about the who. The impact teachers. The impact is that teachers who is impacted is teachers who don't come to work. Then I have Venezuela's government highlighted. This tells me where it's taking place, right? Venezuela's in South America. I highlighted money problems, and then I'm going to add a comment. Impact, that's the question helps me answer. Government doesn't have money for schools. Okay. So you see, I highlighted what helps me answer the question. In the comment, I wrote the question and then how it helps me answer the question. Okay. Yes, this is what you want to do with yours. Okay. I'm going to show you an example from a student for assignment number 11, and they're highlighting. Okay. So this is an example. Okay. This person highlighted the word governments and they added a comment. I think this article talks about the government and maybe this has power in the government. Okay. Then they highlighted the who and they explained. I think those who are involved in this article are people. We could say it's people who live in societies or people in government. Okay. So they highlighted words that they thought helped them answer the questions and they added comments. This is what you're going to be doing. Okay. So for assignment 20, if you can open that up right now so you can start working on it, you're going to read one article on Venezuela. A few of you will have two articles. 5 people will have articles on Venezuela and China. Most of you will just have Venezuela. Okay. I want you to stop every paragraph to mark the text and answer these questions if you can. Okay. Who is involved? When did the important events happen? Where do the events happen? What is the impact of what happened? Which inalienable rights are involved in this article and how? Okay. All right. And the last thing you're going to do today is a short writing assignment for assignment number 21. Okay. If you can open assignment number 21 right now, please. You're going to answer either of the following questions with a full paragraph. Okay. But for today, you're just going to use the sentence starters to write your topic sentence. You're just writing a claim. Okay. You have 2 questions. You choose one. How does the government protect people's rights? Or how does the government fail to protect people's rights? You choose the sentence starter. The government in place, the government in, you write the country. Does or does not, you choose. Protect, write whose rights are or are not being protected. Right to, and you choose which inalienable right you're going to focus on. Because, and then you explain. Okay. And this is the same thing. Okay. The government in place does not protect whose rights to life, liberty, or pursuit of happiness because. And that's all you're doing today. Just to show you, this is going to be assignment number 21, claim number 1. Okay? You just click reply or you write your answer. Okay? For assignment number 20, you have to go here in the agenda. I don't think I have it up. Yeah, in the agenda, you go to number 20. It takes you here. These people are reading this article. So you just click on it and it takes you to the article. Okay. So you look for your name and you click on the link. All of these people are reading B. If your name is here, you have 2 articles to read, Venezuela and China. Okay. Make sure you come to office hours. Message me if you have questions.